all I can say is totally time flies. Dati nangangarap lang ako na makapag-upload ng mga covers ko and vlogs dito sa aking YouTube channel. Ngayon, umabot na tayo ng 13 years this September 12, 2024. And di siya biro guys na umabot ako ng 13 years na walang nanonood at nagsasubscribe. So today, let me present you my 13 covers for 13 days in my 13th year anniversary on my YouTube channel. And marami tayong pinaghahandaan at mapagsasamahan pa na may upload ko hanggang sa abot ng aking makakaya. So this is me, your future Asia's sweetest voice, and welcome to my 13 years in YouTube. So this is it guys. Enjoy!